In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Manychat not sending messages. If your bot has gone quiet, it's often because a channel lost its connection or permissions expired. We'll walk through a quick refresh that restores delivery and then confirm your automations are actually live. Start in the Home tab of your Manychat workspace so you're looking at the main dashboard. From there, open Settings on the left and find the Channels section. This is where all messaging channels live, and any disconnect or warning here can stop messages from going out. Make sure the channels you use are connected and showing healthy status. Next, select the specific channel you're troubleshooting. For this example, choose Instagram. Inside that channel's settings, look for the option labeled Refresh Instagram Permissions. This reauthorizes your connection with the platform and fixes issues caused by expired or changed permissions. Click Refresh Permissions. A Facebook login and permissions window will appear. When prompted, choose the correct business portfolio so Manychat links to the right assets for your brand. Then select the Instagram accounts you want Manychat to access. If you manage several, pick only the ones you actually use here to keep things tidy. Click Continue to proceed. You'll see a screen that outlines what you're sharing with Manychat. Review it carefully so you understand which pages and accounts are being connected. When everything looks right, click Save. Give it a few moments. This refresh can take a short time to sync in the background, especially if you manage multiple assets or recently changed roles. Head back to Manychat and open automation from the left sidebar. This is where many delivery issues hide. Confirm that the automations you expect to run are live. Flows should be published, and any relevant triggers or entry points should be active. If a flow is in draft or paused, messages won't send even with a perfect channel connection. That's it. With channels connected, permissions refreshed, and automations live, your messages should start sending reliably again.